Tully.
My name is Leo.
I'm Dayton.
I'm Michael.
And we are from Seattle Lightning Incorporated. So what our app is for is we are trying to lower the amount of people losing their keys and their phones in the transit systems and the bus system. And what we did was we created a bunch of apps in one we so creatively called Seattle Lightning Inc. the app. So in there are multiple buttons you can press, such as Find My Key. And you will explain.
I thought it was me.
We will explain. There is a tracker, and it shows 5 bars. So the closer you get to your key, the higher the bars go, and the higher the pitch of sound goes up as well. It explains what it is. It tells you the key options for certain sounds or whatever you wish for it to be. You can find your key, set marker for your keys, and you can also have options to customize the background. You can customize basically anything on the app. You can set the sound system for it. You can adapt your music on your phone to be some of the alarms on it. The screens, my business partner Dayton will explain.
Well, on the other side of it, unlike the Odysseys, we already have established ourselves with different companies like Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal, like I said. So, as here, you can purchase a bus pass, a transit, Orca pass, and concessions, so you can like add your debit card or credit card, and you can buy certain things with your phone, because like you'll scan, so you like give the thing to the person, the cash register. And the person will have a scanner thing. You can scan. You can actually scan your phone because your phone's linked to your debit card account. So you can do that, and you can also purchase a bus pass or Orca card on the app too.
Oh wow!
And if your key gets too far away from your phone to the point where you can't catch the bus or the train has already gone to the next station, there is a call Metro button. So it automatically dials the Metro station, and they can explain to you where that bus stop is going to end and when they can get you your keys or your phone back.
Wow.
So not only can if you like lose your phone on the bus and then your keys start like ringing or make a sound because of the app that you have on there, because you just press a button. But if you lose your keys there, you can also find them as well by the app as well.
So if you lose your phone, you can find them by using your keys as well, because there's a specific fob on there. There's a microchip in the fob and in the phone. And if the 2 microchips go too far away, they'll start beeping, kind of like the tracker that we used earlier.
Wow.
So
Weren't you supposed to explain something?
I already did. I thought when I pulled up my paper and he explained it for me.
So what's your guys' logo?
A poorly funded drawing of lightning and a light bulb.
Wow.
Seattle Lightning.
I like it.
Good job, guys.
I know. So there is a chip in the key fob and the chip in your phone. Wow, neat. I'd invest in that, especially the way I lose my keys. Oh, you gonna have a question?
What if you lose both your keys in your phone?
And your phone?
Oh,
we also. What if you're like carrying them both in a purse?
we also
you like lose your purse.
we also have a desktop version of this too, where you can sign into your account, and it has the tracker thing, so you can locate where your
Both of
phone
them
is. Yeah.
And as soon as we get more funding, we can get some for wallets as well.
Wow.
Any questions? Any other questions?
I'm just amazed. I visited both of them. This is so cool. Now, how do we make this stuff really happen? Bring it to life.
Oh, we need to fund the company, right?
Yeah, yeah. We can
We're actually partnered with the EMP and Seattle Transit, so we can do a lot of stuff.
Seattle Transit. You mean Seattle Transit?
Sound Transit, that's what I'm gonna say. Sound Transit, I'm sorry.
So Sound Transit is gonna be your big funder, huh?
Sound Transit.